Okay, let's see how easy it is to swap these over. Well, that comes out nice and easy. So, one thing I've been looking forward to trying is this 3D form module. Now, it has an arrow at the front to show you where it should go. It's supposed to line up with this line here. You put it forward, so it just fits into place like that. Okay. Then I believe we lift those up. We take that out. And grab a bit of our plastic. We'll try the hard plastic. Bung that in there like that. Try to get it centered. Ah, one thing I forgot. You have to take off plastic sheeting, which comes off like that. On the other side. It's a little bit tricky. Got it. Comes off like that. And I'll lay that in there over the rubber seal so that it gets a good vacuum in there. I'll put this back on here, and then these clip down on top of those sort of bolts there, like that. I'll maybe lift it up. And then it's ready to go. Obviously, before you do any of this, you have to put something in there so that you can vacuum it. But I think, unless I'm mistaken, I have to put in this metal plate. Which would go in like that, I believe. So it's in that little gap there. And yeah, and then I suppose you put it underneath there, and away you go. Right, okay. So now we need to find something that we can put under there to vacuum for.